What's going on, guys? So it's like 1 in the morning. Everybody's asleep right now, just not me. And it's raining outside very heavily. This door's locked. See, look. It's raining outside like fuck. So I'm scared once again by a thunderstorm. Is that a moth or a butterfly? Wow. Wow, that is very, 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 very loud. But like, see, it's raining outside. But it's like 1 in the morning, so like it's pitch black out. Can't even see nothing. Wait for it. Let's wait for it to thunder again. Once again. But like, yeah, it's raining crazy out here, and I'm also partly making this video so my family can see it because they're all asleep right now. It's 1 in the morning once again, so yeah, I'm the only one awake. By the way, follow me on Snapchat. I'm gonna up the brightness right here because you can barely even see me. Wow. It's just one person outside standing all alone in the middle of a goddamn rainstorm. I've only got my socks on, so I'm not standing in the grass because it's all wet, but yeah. I'm just simply recording a rain and thunderstorm.